My name is Raffaella and I am the chef of the Italian cooking school Let's Cook in Umbria. I will explain you the recipe step by step. Have fun and buon appetito! Welcome in my video recipe flour and eggs dough. The ingredients are 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, salt and olive oil. The tools we need to make the dough are a pasta board, a fork and a bench scraper. Place the flour onto a large pasta board forming a mound. Form your hand into a loose fist and gently remount the center of the mound until you have a very low volcano with a very deep crater. Now crack the eggs into the crater. Add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. With a fork, beat the eggs. Then gradually take the flour from the inner sides of the well and mix it with the eggs. The walls of the crater will keep the liquid from running out. Continue to mix flour and eggs. The amount of flour you need for the dough depends on many variables. The weather, the age of your flour, the size of your eggs. It's possible that the flour we have on the board is too much or is insufficient. We'll decide the right quantity of flour considering that the final dough has to be elastic, not sticky and not dry. When the eggs have absorbed enough flour and are not longer liquid, break the walls of the volcano and add all the flour. With a fork, mix until the flour completely absorbs the eggs and the dough is not longer sticky. Then start using your hand. Flour your fingers. Press the dough and fold it. Do it several times. If the dough is sticky, sprinkle it with flour. If the dough is dry, sprinkle with a bit of water until it becomes pliable. When the consistency of the dough is right, clean off the work surface with a bench scraper and start to knead. To knead, use the heel of your hand. Stretch the dough forward using the heel of your hand, then folding it halfway over on itself. Rotate the dough 90 degrees and repeat. If it's too wet, add flour until you can handle it well. Continue to knead until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Now the dough is ready. It's elastic and smooth. Roll into a ball and leave to rest covered under a bowl. These are some pasta shapes that you can make with the flour and eggs dough. Thank you for your attention. For new recipes, visit my website or buy my cookbook. Hoping to see you very soon in my cooking school in Italy.